Okay, so continuing, now we want to have at least 2 chemists. So that's another one that I would probably do directly. So at least 2 chemists means we could have 2 chemists, or 3 chemists, or 4 chemists. Maybe I should have done it indirectly. Or 5 chemists. There's a lot more cases here than I, in my head, first thought. So it's going to be 11 choose 2, 15 choose 3, 11 choose 3, 15 choose 2, etc. And you can add them up. We also could have done it indirectly. If you're going to do it indirectly, then we would have had So we're going to do it indirectly, then the total would have been, of course, our 26 choose 5. And the bad case is if we want to not have at least 2 chemists. So the bad, not having at least 2 chemists would be having 1 chemist or having no chemists, so having all technicians. And so the bad cases would be this, and we would do this minus these guys. So this would be 26 choose 5 minus 11 choose 1 times 15 choose 4, and the other case is 15 choose 5. And that would give us the answer. Presumably the same answer as this one over here. Okay, Sarah must be chosen. So Sarah is some person, presumably employed at this company. So Sarah must be chosen. So there was 26 people. Now there's only 25, and of those 25, we are choosing 4 of them. So right, so 25 choose 4, which is going to be 12,650. If we had over here, Whit refuses to be chosen, so Whit is definitely off the committee. And what this is going to be now, it's going to be 25 choose 5. So we have 26 people, but Whit is not going to be chosen, so she's off. There's 25 left. That's going to be 25 choose 5, which is, I think, 53,130. At least one of Sarah or Whit must be chosen. So this is like, so you can pause it, try it yourself. This is like the Expedition to Mars one. So if you don't remember that one, go back and look at the Expedition to Mars question, and maybe try this one yourself again. So at least one of Sarah or Whit, so that's going to be, so we can have Sarah on, Whit off. We could have Whit on, Sarah off, or we can have Sarah and Whit both part of it, and that's that. So there was 26, we've already counted, so this is going to be 24 choose 4. This will also be 24 choose 4, and this would be 24 choose 3, and we would add them up. Right, we're going to add these guys together, and we're going to get 24 choose 4 plus 24 choose 4 plus 24 is 23,000, etc. is 23,276. What you also could have done is we could have done the total, which was, and then the bad one. So the bad one would be that neither of them is chosen. So Sarah and Whit are both outs. So that would be 26 choose 5, and the bad ones would be 24 choose 5. And the total minus the bad would presumably and hopefully give us the same answer. At most, one of Sarah Whit must be chosen. So this one also has, it's kind of like the Expedition to Mars question. No, yes, like the Expedition to Mars question. So we have 3, 4, 5 people on the committee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on the committee. At most, we could have Sarah on, and Whit looking, Whit on, Sarah looking, or neither, because we could have, we don't need any of them to be chosen, really. So this is going to be 24, choose 4, 24, choose 4, and this would be 24, choose 5. And if we add those up, well, I don't have to write it out again. We add those up, we're going to get 24, choose 4, plus 24, choose 4, plus 24, choose 5, is 63,000. Did I write? 63,756. And there we go.